Hello everyone, today I am going to explain the numericals of chapter 5 of part 2 accountancy. The chapter name is accounting ratios. So let's see question number 1. Following is the balance sheet of Rohit and Company as on March 31st 2006. Here balance sheet is given to you of Rohit and Company. So see the liability side, share capital 1,90,000, reserves 12,500, profit and loss 22,500, bills payable 18,000, creditors 54,000. Similarly, the assets are given to you. Fixed assets 1,53,000, stock 55,800, debtors 28,800, cash at bank 59,400. You have to be calculate here current ratio. So first of all, apply here the formula of current ratio. As you can see, the formula of current ratio is current assets upon current liabilities. Now from the balance sheet you have to choose the current assets item. So here current assets is equal to stock, debtor, cash at bank. Stock 55,800, debtors 28,800, cash at bank 59,400, and the total of current assets is rupees 1,44,000. Similarly, choose the current liabilities from the liability side, bills payable and creditors. These two are current liabilities in this question. So here bills payable rupees 18,000, 54,000 is the amount of creditors. So the total current liability is 72,000. Now put here the value in the formula. 1,44,000 divided by 72. You will get 2 upon 1, that is 2:1. Always remember, current ratio is always calculated in ratio. So here as you can see, the current ratio is 2:1. That is the ideal ratio, ideal condition of current ratio. Now let's move to question number 2. Following is the balance sheet of Title Machine Limited as on March 31st 2006. Again, liabilities and assets are given to you. Equity share capital 24,000, 8% debentures 9,000, P&L 6,000, bank overdraft 6,000, creditors 23,400, provision for taxation 600. The total is 69,000. In the assets column, we can see here building, stock, debtor, cash in hand, and prepaid expenses. Now, what you have to be calculate here? Calculate current ratio and liquid ratio. So you should remember the formulas. So first we will apply here the formula of current ratio. So the formula of current ratio is current assets upon current liability. So firstly we will calculate here current assets. So current assets include stock, debtor, cash in hand and prepaid expenses. इन चारों को ऐड करने के बाद हमें मिलेगी current assets, that will be rupees 24,000. Similarly, we will calculate here current liabilities. Current liabilities include bank overdraft, creditors plus provision for taxation. So we will get rupees 30,000 as current liabilities after adding these three items. Now here these two values you have to put in the formula. Current ratio is equal to current assets, that is 24,000, plus current liabilities, that is 30,000. We will get 4 upon 5. सिंपली मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन हमारे पास में है. रेशो एंड प्रपोर्शन आपने 7th और 8th स्टैंडर्ड में भी सीखा है. और इसको सिंपल कट कर दीजिए, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लेकर आइए. 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 means 0.8:1. That is not a good situation. Now we have to calculate liquid ratio. So as I have already explained you, the liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets upon current liabilities. Now the question is that what is liquid asset? So when we deduct stock and prepaid expenses from current assets, we will get liquid asset. Liquid asset को हम क्विक एसेट या क्विक एसेट के नाम से भी जानते हैं। तो लिक्विड एसेट हमको यहाँ पर करंट एसेट्स हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट किए ₹24,000 इन विच वी विल डिडक्ट स्टॉक and prepaid expenses. So we will get liquid asset ₹11,280. Now the liquid ratio is equal to 11,280 divided by current liabilities, that is 30,000. Already we have calculated, so no need to calculate here again. So here when you simplify it, you will get 0.376:1. You can round off it, or you can write here 0.38:1. Now let's see question number 3. Question number 3. Current ratio is 3:5. Working capital is ₹9 lakh. Calculate the amount of current assets and current liabilities. Here you have to apply simple mathematical equation. So as current ratio is given, we all are aware current ratio is equal to current asset upon current liabilities, and working capital is also given ₹9 lakh. So first we will apply working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. working capital का मतलब होता है कि जितनी भी बिजनेस में कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड है उसमें से कितनी अभी एक्चुअली में वर्किंग पोजीशन में है, तो वो हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, करंट एसेट्स माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटीज. सो हियर करंट रेशियो इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज. सिंपल मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन आपको यहाँ पर फॉर्म करना है. कैसे, करंट रेशियो इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज. करंट रेशियो के बदले में आप इसकी वैल्यू पुटअप कर देंगे 3/5 इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज. सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इट. अगर आप इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 0.6/1 इंटू करंट 0.6 इंटू करंट लाइबिलिटीज 1 इंटू करंट एसेट्स. 1 इंटू करंट एसेट्स इज इक्वल टू 0.6 करंट लाइबिलिटीज. और वी कैन डू बाय अनदर मेथड. लेट करंट लाइबिलिटीज बी x, देन करंट एसेट्स इज इक्वल टू 3.5 इंटू x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा. वर्किंग कैपिटल इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटी. तो वर्किंग कैपिटल इज गिवन 90,000 इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स 3.5x माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटी x. तो 90,000 इज इक्वल टू 3.5x में से x माइनस किया, देन विल गेट 2.5x. नाउ x विल बी 90,000 divided by 2.5. So we will get the value of x ₹36,000 as current liabilities. यहाँ पर हमने x को assume किया current liabilities के बदले में. So current assets is equal to 3.5x, that is 3.5 multiplied by 36,000. So we will get 1,26,000 as current assets. Children, in this question here is a misprint. The working capital is given here 9 lakh, but it should be ₹90,000. एक misprint है, 90,000 होना चाहिए. Now let's move to question number 4. Now let's move to question number 4. Shine Limited has a current ratio 4.5:1 and quick ratio 3:1. If the stock is 36,000, calculate current liabilities and current assets. एक कंपनी है शान लिमिटेड. द करंट रेशियो ऑफ इट इज़ 4.5:1. क्विक रेशियो भी आपको दिया है 3:1. इफ़ द स्टॉक इज़ 36,000, आपके स्टॉक की वैल्यू गिवन है 36,000 है, तो यू हैव टू बी कैलकुलेट हियर करंट लाइबिलिटीज एंड करंट एसेट्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक हियर द equations. Current ratio is given 4.5:1. Quick ratio is also given 3:1. Let current liabilities is equal to x. First of all we will assume current liabilities as x. So what will be the current assets? Current assets क्या होंगे? करंट रेशो का फार्मूला आप अप्लाई कर दो. करंट रेशो इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटीज. and current ratio 4.5/1 is equal to current assets divided by current liabilities. आपको यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुटअप कर देना है. So you will be get current assets is equal to 4.5x by doing cross multiplication and quick assets is equal to 3x. क्विक एसेट्स आप 3x मिलेगा आपको. कैसे मिलेगा? क्विक एसेट का फार्मूला लगा देंगे. क्विक रेशो इज इक्वल टू 3:1. सो यू विल पुट हेयर क्विक रेशो इज इक्वल टू क्विक एसेट्स अपॉन करेंट लाइबिलिटीज. सो क्विक रेशो के बदले में आप क्या लिखोगे? LHS में लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 3/1 इज इक्वल टू क्विक एसेट डिवाइडेड बाय current liabilities. So you will get here quick asset as 3x by doing cross multiplication. Now stock is equal to current assets minus quick asset. अगर आप करंट एसेट में से क्विक एसेट माइनस कर देते हैं तो आपके पास में बचेगा स्टॉक. नाउ द स्टॉक इज गिवन 36,000. करंट एसेट्स वी हैव कैलकुलेट 4.5x. क्विक एसेट्स ऑलरेडी वी हैव कैलकुलेट 3x. So we will get 1.5x is equal to 36,000. So the value of x will be 36,000 divided by 1.5, that is 24,000, and the x is, we have assumed here current liabilities as x. So the value of current liabilities is 24,000. Now let's calculate current assets. So just by putting the value of x here, current assets is equal to 4.5x or 4.5 multiplied by 24,000. So the current assets are 1,08,000. So here this question is also over. Let's move to question number 5. Current liabilities of a company are rupees 75,000. If current ratio is 4:1 and liquid ratio is 1:1, calculate the value of current assets, liquid assets and stock. So here you have to be calculate current asset, liquid asset, stock. 3 items you have to calculate. And what are the informations given to you? Current liabilities are given, current ratio is given, and liquid ratio is also given. So first of all, let's write here current ratio 4:1, liquid ratio 1:1, current liabilities 75,000, current assets is equal to 4 times current liabilities. 4 times कैसे आया? आप यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुटअप करोगे. करंट रेशो इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स अपॉन करंट लाइबिलिटी. सो 4/1 इज इक्वल टू करंट एसेट्स divided by 75,000, and by doing cross multiplication you will get 4 into 75,000 rupees 3 lakh as current assets. Now liquid assets is equal to current liabilities is equal to 75,000. Now stock is equal to current assets minus liquid assets. As we know, stock की वैल्यू क्या होती है? करंट एसेट्स में से लिक्विड एसेट्स माइनस कर देते हैं, जो बाकी बचा वो स्टॉक की वैल्यू. So here current assets are, we have calculated what is the value of current assets, 3 lakh. 3 lakh minus liquid asset. Liquid asset भी हमने calculate किया यहाँ पर 75,000. So we will get the value of stock rupees 2,25,000. So I hope you will understand this question also. So here I am winding up. In my next video we will discuss the next sums. Thank you.